But my head is holding up my heart, my heart. Okay, so this song starts with an introduction. Here is the first chord, and you will have the A sharp minor composed of the C sharp, the F, and the A sharp, and the bass note of A sharp. Then the D sharp 7 composed of the C sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. Then the G sharp major 7 composed of the C, the D sharp, and the G, and the bass note of G sharp. Then the F minor composed of the C, the F, and the G sharp, and the bass note of F. And eventually the F major composed of the C, the F, and the A, and the same bass note of F. And even before playing these chords, the song begins with the F and the C notes. And then you're gonna play like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this on every chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The first time, and then the second time you're gonna finish with the F major. Love, guess you found a way to get through. Got so used to feeling nothing at all for so long. Oh, now all I wanna do is love you, but my head is holding up my heart, my heart. And now you reach the pre-chorus with a new chord, but you will be keeping the same method. And I've seen all the signs. What if there are lies? Will it even matter what you say? Can you make these feelings go away? So, the F note and its octave, then the D sharp note and its octave. You have reached the chorus, and here's the new chord. Tell me, is this real to you? 'Cause I can feel my heart again. You're so tempting, but I'm scared, so I'd rather pretend that I don't love you like I do. 'Cause I don't wanna hurt again. I wanna love you, but I'm scared, so I'd rather pretend. And now you will need to replay the first section once with the next lyric, and then you will have the second verse with this new chord. What if I'm at a loss, hoping you'll come back to me when you're gone? There's so many ways I've seen this going wrong. So many ways I've seen this fall apart. You will then reach the second pre-chorus played just like the first one, and for the second verse you will need to play the corresponding table twice without the repetition of the first section though, so just play the table as a whole twice and you will be able to finish the song with the F major. Good luck to you, and I will see you in the next one.